Hello colorful people, welcome back to the channel. Today is healthy food day. We're making coleslaw for our Sunday dinner. So first you're gonna get your vegetables you're gonna use and get them washed in some salt water. So we're using, use your vegetables of choice. We have lettuce, cabbage, sweet peppers, carrots, tomatoes, all the healthy stuff. So first up, we're getting our cabbage shredded or chopped, whichever way you like. And we're gonna cut our sweet peppers. Dice our sweet peppers, cut up our lettuce, and we're going to add them to our cabbage. Up next, we're going to get our carrots grated, finely grated or shredded. And we're adding our lovely, beautiful, orange, colorful carrot to the mixture and stir. Get everything mixed in. And for the secret ingredient, we're using some onions, and onions will give it that zest. If you've made it this far in the video, please press the subscribe button so you can get more awesome, tasty recipes. So to a bowl, we're gonna add some white vinegar, a tux of white vinegar in Jamaican measurement, a teaspoon or a tablespoon of white vinegar, and we're adding some lime juice. A little bit of salt, because we don't want our coleslaw to be fresh. Then we're adding some black pepper, give it that little spice. And some sugar. If you haven't liked this video already, go ahead, click the like button if you like it. We're adding some vegetable oil to our mixture. And we're gonna stir, 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 stir. Then we're adding this secret mixture to our coleslaw to give it that taste, that zest, to make it perfect. Get this all stirred in, blended to perfection, stirred to perfection. And we cannot make coleslaw without some good mayonnaise. So add your mayo, and mix again. Now the mayo is going to get everything together, get everything clinging together. Give it that coleslaw, nice, tasty coleslaw for your dinner, for your main, to put on your main meal. And to make our presentation perfect, we're adding our tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. And there you have it, easy, tasty coleslaw. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe.